Hey guys, this is Mark from TradePro Academy, and in this weekend's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can backtest your favorite strategies on your favorite assets using the newly updated bar replay feature from TradingView. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get at it. All right, trade pros. So what you see in front of you is the TradingView interface, and we've got a chart of Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, up at the current moment in time. Now, before I go ahead and show you guys how to access this bar replay feature, couple of things that I need to get out of the way. First and foremost, if you are a basic subscription subscriber on TradingView, meaning you're not paying for the subscription, you will be limited to only the monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes for the bar replay feature. This means that if you want to get access to the intraday charts for the bar replay feature, you're going to have to upgrade to either a Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium subscription. Second thing is one of the limitations with this bar replay is that futures symbols are unable to be replayed. You can replay basically anything other than futures, such as ETFs, stocks, currencies, etc. So now that we've got that little disclosure out of the way, let's show you guys exactly how you can go ahead and access this bar replay feature so that we can get started with our backtest. First and foremost, your bar replay feature sits right up top on the screen. There's your bar replay feature right there. To get that thing going, what you'll have to do is give it a click. And when you scroll down on the chart, you should see a big red line. This line will basically allow you to set the start point for where you want to backtest from. So in this case, let's say that we want to start trading as of January 2015. So let's go ahead and click that. And what you will see is that we are currently set right there, December 2014, and that is on the monthly time frame. All right, guys. So what you are able to do with this at this point in time is you can start marking out this chart. So if you're like us, you like to utilize multiple time frame analysis to get a better idea of larger term levels, and then you like to drop into the 4-hour time frame, which is what we like to do. So let's draw out some key levels to start. We've got a bit of a resistance up here. We've got a bit of support down here, and that's kind of all that we're seeing at the moment in time. You know, we are showing bullish uptrend as well, with the sense that we are seeing highs being broken and support holding. So at this point in time, back in 2014, monthly time frame showed a break of a previous high, and that we were kind of coming back into a resistance that was broken, which should now act as support. Now what we can do is we can jump into the weekly chart. So 1W gives us the interval of 1 week. Click on enter, and now you guys can see that we are still within the bar replay mode and we are on the weekly chart. So this is where the big update came through. Before, you were unable to switch between multiple time frames in the bar replay feature. You were stuck to only one time frame. If you switched out to a new time frame, the bar replay feature would cancel itself and would bring you back to real time. So this is really the beauty of it, because now you are able to do your higher time frame analysis and you can drop down into the lower time frame to get a real idea of where your levels would be and how you would trade that. So now looking at the weekly time frame, we can draw in a couple more levels. What I am seeing, that was a nice resistance, nice little consolidation before the breakout. So that's looking pretty good for me. I can draw maybe another resistance right around these 120s. So that's what the weekly chart looks like. Nothing else to change on there. From here, you can drop down the daily chart. So 1D. You'll click OK. And now from this chart here, you can kind of refine your levels from the higher time frames. So we can say that we'll move this guy up to here because that was kind of the resistance that held before that pop. And we can even draw another one kind of in this zone here, because that was kind of a flip zone. You saw it held resistance and then support, support, support before that press up. So now you can see that from the monthly time frame down into the daily time frame, we've kind of broken apart this market into different levels, and now we have a general idea of what we'd be looking for. So we know that the trend is currently bullish. We know that from the weekly, the daily, and the monthly time frames. And so now on the intraday time frames, we can start looking for where we would like to potentially trade. All right, guys, so what you are seeing here, nice little level. The fact that we are bullish means that we should see rotations back into support start to hold. Where's the first level you'd look for? Well, right around these 103.50s. Below that would be these 96s. So knowing that you've got a bullish trend, you are just looking for pullbacks to come into that level so that you can catch a ride back to the upside. So once you've got all your levels set, you are on the intraday time frame. From here, it's as simple as pressing play, and you can choose the speed that you wish for it to go. You've got the lowest time setting is one update every 5 seconds, and the most sensitive setting is one update every 0.1 second. So from here, what you can do is you can either play the chart for it to start going here and start feeding in the data, or what you can do, which is also a little bit better in my opinion, is if you click this little button here, this will go bar by bar going forward. All right, so this one goes bar by bar going forward, and this little button right here, if you click that, that will bring you to real-time prices to your current day. All right, so for the purpose of this back testing, let's say that you've got a strategy where you're looking to get long on pullbacks within the trend. You've identified the trend, you've identified your level of value. Now you just kind of want to see it come into that zone. Let's say it comes into that zone and we're still getting a little bit of consolidation, bar by bar by bar. This is kind of what it looks like. All right, so once it comes into a level of interest, what you've got to do manually is you've got to use your position setup tool. So you've got short positions or long positions. And let's say you were to get long down in these 103.50s, you can set that little tool up in here to show you what that position would be like. So you've got to still manually do this and trade it as if you did get filled in there. So let's say we're looking for a rotation back down in there. We'd have a position as such. All right, so if you play this forward and your position gets filled, you would kind of manage it based on this tool here. That's one of the limitations of this back testing feature, is that you're still unable to use the paper trading to go back in time and do the bar replay feature. However, this still gives you a great opportunity to play back your favorite assets in previous time frames and to really get a good idea of what your strategy looks like in different market cycles. And this should really give you the confidence to go out and start putting in live trades after you've back tested your strategy and have found success in that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to give us a like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and show us some love. One of the greatest compliments to us is a referral, so we'd greatly appreciate if you share our channel with some of your friends or colleagues if you do find value in that. So until next time, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you next week. Good luck and good trading, everyone. Have a great weekend. Take care.